Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As promised, today I'm making a video about buying shares using Easy Equities. I'm going to be buying shares every month for the next 12 months. Today I'm going to buy about 5,000 rands worth of shares. To start off with, I'm going to share what I have already bought in previous months. So I bought a crypto bundle, which is like the top 10 cryptos put in a bundle by Easy Equities. Bitcoin has had a rough couple of months, so that's down by 36%. So I'm not worried too much about that. Overall, I'm up about 13.8%. No thanks to crypto for now, because I would have been up even more if it wasn't for the crypto. So as far as stocks I'm investing in, these three, Growthpoint and Investec, are REITs. So these are real estate shares. Basically, it's a form of investing in property and real estate without actually owning or buying my own real estate or property. Yeah, so this isn't that bad. I think it's actually quite an interesting way to invest in real estate. For example, this Investec Property Fund Limited is up by 3.4%. By that means it's up by 39 rands. But I've already been paid a dividend for this, and the dividend was, let me check. The dividend was 48 rand. So if you add the 48 rand plus 39 rand, I'm already up by 80 rand from the initial investment. So the return is more than the 3% that's written here. And I've just reinvested that 48 rand back into this fund. And then most of the time when I like to invest in companies that I'm familiar with, or companies that I interact with or I use. So besides the real estate funds, so I dabble in crypto, which is why I bought this crypto bundle. This real estate Growthpoint, I've seen it around buildings owned by them. Liberty, this is like an insurance company. Netbank is a popular bank. It's known for good customer service and it's made quite great returns. Old Mutual, also an insurance company. And then this is an ETF which tracks the US market. So this is just so I'll get international returns. So today I've been researching a few companies that I wanted to invest in. One of the shares I want to buy today is Purple Group. So Purple Group is the brand that owns Easy Equities. Purple Group owns Easy Equities, Easy Properties, GT24.com, which is a CFD trading platform, Emperor Asset Management, Retirement Investments and Savings, and Easy Crypto, which is the new platform to buy and sell crypto and crypto bundles. So basically, I can see that the Easy Equities platform is gaining traction and growing each year. There's more and more people buying shares on Easy Equities, and I can see that it's growing. So for me, it's a good investment because it's a service that I use myself and that I refer other people to. So it's only gonna grow. So let's look for the Purple Group shares. Let's look for the Purple Group shares. As you can see, as of late, they're down by 12% in the last month. In the past 3 months, they are up 22%. In the past 6 months, they're up 110%. In the past year, they're up by 250%. So this has been like a very high growth stock. So I guess if I'm buying now, I'm actually buying the dip. I'm sure the shares will increase in no time as the platform gains more customers, as more people get exposed to buying shares online. So for this one, Purple Group, I'm gonna buy, let's say, 1,500 worth of shares. So I'm gonna get 1,500 worth of shares. I'm gonna get 501 shares at a cost of 5 rand and 6 cents, 5 rand and 06 cents. Yeah. Okay. Buy now. Okay. So I've bought Purple Group shares. I've got 3.5 left to buy with today. And then the next thing I wanted to buy, I've been looking at Pick n Pay shares. The reason I want to buy Pick n Pay, I'll show you just now. It's because the shares are down by quite a bit. And then I was reading that it's projected to grow at about 20% per year. Their earnings are projected to grow at about 20% per year over the next 3 years. The reason I'm investing in Pick n Pay stores as well is because it's actually something that I use. So I like investing in companies that I can see, companies that I use myself, that I can see are going to last for a very long time. So it's not really growth stocks, but investing in services that I use or companies that I trust. So let's look for Pick n Pay shares. Pick n Pay. Yeah, as you can see, Pick n Pay is down like 10% this month, down 16% over the last 3 months, down 13% over the last 6 months, 14% over the past year. So you could kind of say we're buying the dip if we're buying at this point, and it's probably going to recover to the previous highs. Yeah, so it's down 10%. I'm gonna buy Pick n Pay. Pick n Pay. How much am I buying Pick n Pay for? Let's say $1,000 and get 20 shares. Okay, we've bought Pick n Pay shares, and then the next stock I was looking at is Capitec Bank. So over the past few years, Capitec has been one of the fastest growing banks, digital innovation, and it targets the majority of the population. So the low income section of the population, which is the majority. So as long as they keep targeting that specific batch of people, they're not going to run out of customers. They're going to get new customers each year. I was looking at the projections for Capitec Bank, and it's projected to grow at about 18.5% earnings per year for the next 1 to 3 years. So that's why I reckon it's a good investment. So let's look for some Capitec. Invest now. Okay. So, as you can see, it's up by 51% over the past year. 19% over the past 6 months, 14% over 3 months. It's down a little bit in the past month. So I'm gonna buy Capitec. Let's see, 1.5 Capitec shares. So I'm gonna get 0.7 by now. Okay, I've bought some Capitec shares. Okay, and then I've bought Capitec, Purple Group, Pick and Pay. Okay, so let's go back to like what I've already, my current account overview, my holdings. I want to buy more of NetBank and more of this property investment fund. So how much have I got left to invest? I've got 986. So I'm gonna buy 500 rands worth of NetBank, which gets me 2.4 shares. And then I'm gonna buy, what is my balance? 484. So Investec. I'm gonna buy 480 worth of this investment fund, which is 40 shares. Okay, I've bought more of the property fund. Let's look at my account overview. So basically I have 16,447 invested. Oh no, my current value is 16,447. My profit so far is 1,354, which is an 8.9% gain. This has decreased obviously because I just bought another 5 grand worth of shares, so that hasn't grown yet. So it decreased my profit, my overall profit, if you look at the numbers. Yeah, so basically I hold Capitec, the crypto bundle, Growth Point, which is a property fund, Investec, which is a property fund as well. Then Investec, which is a property fund that focuses on the Australian market. Then I have Liberty, NetBank, which I bought some more of today. As I said, it has a very good service. My girlfriend actually uses NetBank as a bank. I never understood why, because I always thought NetBank was for old people, but apparently they have very good service. I have some Old Mutual. I have some Pick and Pay stock. The reason I bought this is because I feel like right now it's very cheap. It's down and it's bound to recover. And I read some reports on like average projections for the next 1 to 3 years. So that's predicted to grow. And then Purple Group is the group that actually created Easy Equities. So I'm investing in this platform because I predict that it's going to grow even more in the next few years as more people start investing for themselves. And then Signia, this ETF, which is an index fund, focusing on the US market. I'm using that just to gain some exposure, some international exposure to those markets. Yeah, so next month I'm gonna buy again. I promised to buy for 1.5 each month for the next 12 months. This month I bought for 5K. At the end of the 12 months, at the end of the 12 months, we'll see how much the portfolio has grown or decreased. Each month I'll be publishing an update just to show the returns or what stocks I'm buying. This is not investment advice. I'm just sharing what I'm buying and why I'm buying those shares. Please like, comment, and share, and let me know what stocks you're buying on Easy Equities and why. Cheers, guys.